Yo YouTube, it's your boy Mubmoh, and we're out here for these Yeezys. It's early, it's 6:20 AM. I'm with the boy. Yo, what you doing? I'm staying full government.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah, I'm with the boy Issa. So me and him are gonna try to grab a pit, inshallah. We cook.
Inshallah.
Well, see, it's like 6:20 AM. We got the text from Central saying wristbands have been done. So we have to switch wings real quick. I'm trying to grab a pair from 18 Rose. Hopefully, inshallah. Hopefully it goes well. You know what's mad, yeah? Your boy has a theory exam. 9 AM. I have to get to London Bridge for that. So I can't even stay around for too long. The stores don't open. I gotta go. And inshallah I can pass that. Get myself a license going on. We just got 18 Rose. It's not looking healthy. He's not looking healthy. Let me show you guys that. Eek. Look at that, bro. So many, man. So many guys. Eek. Your boy. Pray for me. Hopefully I cop. So guys, I'm right in front of the store right now. Yeah, I don't even know what the game plan is right now. There's a lot of guys. Apparently there's a list. Apparently the list ain't gonna run. I ain't on that list. And I'm trying to get in that store and try to grab a pair for me. So, bro, the staff ain't, 18 Rose staff ain't even here yet. So if the staff ain't here, nothing's gonna happen. Security's putting out barriers, which is a good sign. But look-y, do they even know what they're doing? See. So staff is here. Now what's going on is called sneaker politics, bro. Sneaker politics. Sneaker politics is when, you know, you got a list. Another guy got a list. Third guy has a list. I got my own little list. So yeah, so I don't know how this is running.
Who's on your list? Who's on your list?
Oh, I'm on my list. You're number one, bro. Don't watch it, bro. You got that UK5. Yeah, the big moolah. I'm on splash page. I'm trying to cop here. As you can see, the police are here. The release has been locked off. It's not my fault. Obviously the list was run like not so nicely. You shouldn't be adding like 100 guys, not 100, I shouldn't say that. You shouldn't be adding like 2, 3 of your mates. People aren't gonna let that. You should let people add their own name to the list. I wasn't allowed to add my name to the list. And that is what happens. I think when Mubarak's cops, everyone cops, and that's a rule. Oh, if you said cops.
We cop. It's in the car.
Yeah, we got 10 pairs inside. So she spoke to the manager, she sorted me. Okay, Easter, the big boy's upset with me, we're leaving. I have my theory at 9 AM, and right now it's like 8:30.
Listen,
8:30.
sometimes you lose.
And apparently they move funny with the, if you're 1 minute late, they won't let you in. So eek. It legit takes me 25 minutes to get there. I'm gonna have to bang a little sprint. Sticky. Hopefully, at least I get that 1 W today and I pass that.
What time did we wake up today?
Woke up for what, 5:20?
Oh my, we did got one cigarette. Oh.
Sticky.
You know what? Sometimes you win some, you lose some, innit? You move on to the next one, don't you?
Yeah. So your boy just done his theory exam, you know, for the driving, soon be whipping. And guess if I passed or not in the comment section below. I will let you guys know the result at the end. If it's good news or bad news, I don't know. So guys, even though I didn't cop at 18 Rose, I was lucky enough to win the Foot Locker raffle. So I'm gonna go pick up that pair right now. Odds are pretty decent at winning that actually. I think I know quite a few winners. So if you are London based, you should have definitely hit that up. So I'm at Foot Locker right now, about to collect my pair. Yeah, happy guy. Secured the bag, first pair in hand. The Yeezy Antlia 350 Boost. This shoe for me personally is a miss. There's not really much going on here other than the fact that it's a Yeezy and that it's an EU exclusive. I guess the EU exclusive does bring the hype to it. It is your average Yeezy, nothing different except for actually a different colorway. Okay guys, so continuing from the Yeezy release, I'm at Dover Street Market. Don't worry, they're not dropping no Yeezys. This is for the Offwhite Kigers. I was lucky enough to win a pair at retail from Dover Street Market. It's not my size, entered for anything to be honest. I was like CBA when I was entering. And you know what? I want to, you best enter these raffles, guys. I'm gonna go in there and grab that pair now, and let's show you how it looks after. So I'm at DSM right now, and they have a really cool display for the setup. The guys give me the pair. They quickly add into that. They also have the Offwhite women's apparel stuff, whatever it is. Let me show you guys that. When it comes to the Offwhite Kiger, I really do see why some people like this. For me, again, this is a miss, but there are some really nice aspects of the shoe, such as the metallic swoosh. I really do think that pops. It's also been seen in the Offwhite Mubmoh and the recently released MCA blue pair. In addition to that, the shoe has studs at the bottom, I believe. These studs do kind of make me feel like a football vibe. I don't really like that. Then there's also the Off-White tag, or the zip tag. The Off-White zip tag this time is green and it has a velvety material. It makes it a bit special in my opinion. It means that Off-White is still innovating with the designs they're trying to come out with, and that's probably my second favorite aspect of the shoe, following the swoosh. Okay, it's a 2-day time skip. So today I'm skipping some stuff I picked up over the week. You know, get the bank accounts back up, and I'll start again for the next week. So I'm going to quickly swing by the StockX pop-up, and there's also the End Clothing Yeezy Reflective raffle that's happened today. Hopefully I can grab a pair of those. You know, the odds won't be good. I'm hearing there's a big queue there, probably like 50 guys entering every 10 minutes, something stupid like that. So yeah, very slim chances and not many pairs as well. So wherever we are in this vlog point right now, I've just arrived at StockX. The pop-up's right behind me. Really good pop-up. I've been dropping stuff off. Really good, you get your payment quick. A couple times I've got a quick Yeezy and just walk straight in there. Quick moolah. You know, if you're from London or around, exploit that. If you don't come here from like Birmingham, Manchester, something where the train ticket costs more than the shipping. But if you're in London, definitely abuse that. Okay, that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy the content. I might start a new series called Signups and Pickups, because over the week I do pick up a lot. Like initially this video wasn't meant to drag this long, over like 4 days, 5 days, or over the week. But then the way the content was going, I didn't have time to edit, I didn't have time to upload, so I just ended up going out the next day. It was another release. I was like, gonna record this. So now I'm just kind of like slapping them all together and making a video. So I feel like maybe a weekly series like this could work, but who knows. You know, if you did enjoy the content, you know, I really love making it, and you know, your boys out here in the field to get you this type of stuff. So please smash the like button up, subscribe if you're new. Anyway, peace for now. We love this game.